Have you ever wondered if a simple morning routine could help you lose belly fat and start your day with a burst of energy? Well, today I have something that might be the answer. Imagine beginning each morning with a set of exercises that are low impact, not too intense, but highly effective. Intrigued? Let's dive into this 10-minute morning routine designed to burn belly fat and energize you for the day ahead. As we embark on this journey, remember that consistency is vital. You're not alone. You have a community here, and we can achieve our goals together. So grab your water bottle and let's get started. This video has 17 exercises, each 30 seconds long, with a brief 5-second rest in between. Watch the entire video to learn about all 17 exercises. Then each morning, pick the best ones for you that day to complete your 10-minute morning routine. Let's kick off with the first exercise on the list, the knee pulls. Knee pull left. Extend your arms and one leg behind you. Bring your legs towards your chest, squeezing your abs as you pull in. Feel the stretch and engage your core. Knee pull right. Switch to the other side and repeat the motion. Keep your movements controlled and focus on your breathing. Side lunge to curtsy lunge, left. Next, we're doing a side lunge into a curtsy lunge. Move slowly and carefully to avoid straining your ankle. Side lunge to curtsy lunge, right. Now switch to the other side. Remember, it's not about speed, but about control and proper form. Knee get-ups. Get down on your knees and climb up and back down again. Engage your core and feel the burn in your legs and abs. Superman plank. Move into a high plank position. Lift one arm straight and the opposite leg, keeping your core tight to stay balanced. Squat front kick. Stand up and transition into a squat, followed by a front kick. Push through, and remember you're doing great. Crab squat. Stay in a squat position and step forward and backward with each leg. Keep your core engaged and maintain a steady pace. Walk out to push-up. Stand upright, walk down into a push-up position, do a push-up, and walk back up. If a full push-up is challenging, just do the walkout part. Mountain climbers. Back to a high plank position for some mountain climbers. It's a tough one, but it's effective. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Side plank reach through, left. Get into a side plank. Extend your arm straight and curl it below you. Tighten your core as you curl in. For a more accessible version, do it on your knees. Side plank reach through, right. Switch to the other side and repeat. Stay focused on your form and breathing. Corkscrew. In a high plank position, twist your body to touch your opposite hand to your foot. Alternate sides and keep your core tight. In and out. Sit on your butt, lean back slightly, and move your legs in and out. Try to keep your feet off the ground if you can, and engage your core. Reverse plank knee tuck. Get into a reverse plank and perform knee tucks. For a low-impact version, do a tabletop position and lift yourself up and down. Shoulder tap. In a high plank position, tap your shoulders with the opposite hand. Maintain your balance and keep your core engaged. Reverse lunge. Finally, perform reverse lunges. If you've made it this far, don't quit now. Let's finish strong. And that's our workout for today. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. That said, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. We're here to support each other, and your feedback motivates us to create more content that helps more people like you reach their goals. Thank you, and see you in the following video.